Prime Minister Narendra Modi today led the nation in celebrating the Independence Day from the ramparts of the Red Fort in New Delhi by hoisting the national flag. Addressing the nation on Independence Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said nations should come together to defeat the evils of corruption and nepotism. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his Independence Day speech on Monday, lauded citizens of the country for coming together in the fight against COVID-19. Along with the rest of the country, Meghalaya on Monday celebrated the 76th Independence Day across the state. In the state capital, Shillong, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma hoisted the national flag at Polo Ground, Shillong. The government has appointed 37 new High Court judges. This is in continuation of the appointment of 26 High Court judges in various High Courts on last Friday.